Whoa! Whoa! Guess missed a bit of a day. Oh shit. It's freedom. Shit, bro. That's bad. My whole day is gone, ruined. You know how much I could have achieved in this time? Whoa. What is up, everybody? Today we're gonna talk about the snooze button. Yeah. So as you all know, you can live your life in two ways. The way that you know and realize it would do kind of a bad thing to you long term, but it's fun right now. Or the way that embraces the pain, but gets you the better life on the end. Maybe you can relate with me on that one. I was going to school and every fucking day I used to wake up at 5 a.m. bro. And every fucking day when I heard my alarm I was like, no, I am underslept, bro. Sleep deprived, and hit the fucking snooze button. See the guy, bam, throw it on the other side of the room. Fuck that alarm clock, right? I'm not going to school. I want to sleep. I'm tired. Every fucking day I was tired. Every day I didn't want to go to school. Every day when the morning clock started I was like, can I just please sleep one more hour, man? Just whatever the fuck more sleep I get will be good. But yet I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Eventually, when the school year started, I was pretty decent on the clock. I had like, I don't know, about 10 alarm clocks on my phone already. You know, like, one is for 5:00, one is for 5:01, one is for 5:02, one is for 5:05, one is for 5:07, one is for 5:10, etc. Because every time the alarm would go off, I would just like snooze, snooze, bam, 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 click that shit off, right? And yeah, it sometimes ended in my mom waking me up because, well, I just didn't wake up on the alarm clock and I would miss the bus. And I didn't get to school right on time, and this shit goes on and on. Everyone was mad at me. And the further the school year, the worse it got. Well then, I realized I'm on self-improvement and I gotta improve something about myself, man. This is past mistakes I was making. I gotta do something about it to get better. I need to become a better person. And then I realized, well, I'm always in a fucking hurry. That shit upset me, bro. Why am I always in a fucking hurry every fucking day? Maybe I should set my alarm for earlier. Hold up, no, I don't need to, because I wake up at 5 a.m. and then my bus is at 5:35. I got enough time to ready up. I was like, bro, I take like 5-10 minutes to ready up. What the fuck am I doing, right? And then I realized, oh wait, actually my alarm is at 5, but I only wake up at like, holy shit, much later, right? At like 5:25 or some shit. And yeah, that was like right on time, because 35 I should be on the bus station. And bus station is like, you know, if I'm not there, I miss the bus. So what is the solution to this? It's quite simple. Number one, you can fucking force yourself to do it, bro. Every single day you hear that alarm clock go out, how you just like, I'm not gonna fucking do that. I'm gonna wake the fuck up and do it. You know what I did? I had like some nice music that, oh actually the music was not nice, it was horrible. It was like screams of wake up. And I changed that to Goggins now. Goggins wakes me up, you know why? Because what my alarm clock says is, wake up, motherfucker. Someone is trying to get ahead of you. Someone's trying to take what you want. If you don't get the fuck up now and get to work, you're gonna lose it all. And that kind of motivates me. That is number one thing you can try. A better fucking ringtone. And number two, you just force yourself to do it, bro. You hear the alarm clock, you remember, oh shit, yesterday I said I'm gonna wake up. Well, this might fucking suck. This will suck. I don't wanna wake up. I'm fucking tired. I feel like if I wake up, I might get some fucking shit fucked up in my head, bro. It doesn't feel natural. It doesn't feel good. Well, guess what? Just wake up. Doesn't fucking matter. Because when you hit the snooze button, you only make it worse, bro. Your brain woke up for what? 30 seconds max, because then you fell back asleep after you hit the snooze button. So your brain woke up, 30 seconds awaken, you see, you're in the deep sleep cycle. Bam! Woken up. Then back to sleep cycle for what? 1 minute. Bam! Woken up. Back to sleep cycle for 1 minute. Bam! Woken up. You think that's good a thing? No, it's not, because when you end the sleep cycle and then you go back to it, you don't like, you were like at this level of sleep cycle, you see, you went to sleep, you fell asleep, your sleep cycle gets better, more into, you're like deep into sleep cycle here. And then you woke up, so it fell down. And then you went back up, boom, woke up. Bro, you're not doing shit, you're doing more fucking harm than good if you hit the snooze button, because your brain just doesn't fall back into sleep cycle, you know that, right? So this is the one thing, you're doing more damage than use when you hit the snooze button. So stop hitting the fucking snooze button and like realize this. When you wake up, you're like, I said I'm gonna wake up. I do more damage to myself if I don't wake up. Listen, yo, I hear you. You're saying, oh yeah, but it doesn't feel natural. It feels like I'm gonna fuck something up in my brain if I don't sleep more, because I'm just like in this weird ass state. That's a weird state when you wake up by the alarm clock. It's a weird state, like in your head you feel like you're like, I don't know, just like, you know, somewhere in between. You're not really awoke and you're like, it's weird, right? Exactly. But if you go back to sleep, that's gonna get just worse. So don't fucking do that. Remember that when you go back to sleep, you're gonna fuck it even more up. Even though you might not feel like it. You know, there's many ways you can force yourself to do this. Why not just do it? But it's gonna be a hard one, right? So there's some tricks you can use. Maybe as soon as you wake up, leave the alarm clock on and start doing the crunches, or maybe drop on the floor, do some push-ups, or maybe turn the alarm clock off, drop on the floor and do like 10 push-ups, 11 push-ups. If you're still tired after 11 push-ups, that's a mind trick. If you're still tired after the 11 push-ups, you can go back to bed and sleep. But the thing is, after the 11 push-ups, your brain is gonna be more conscious and you're gonna be like, I still want to go back to sleep, right? But I don't need to, because like I'm already awake, and so because I'm already awake, so I might as well just do the morning routine and get ready for school, right? And get ready to do whatever the fuck you want. You maybe get ready to school, you maybe get ready for business, whatever, bro, whatever. You're just not gonna waste time. You're not gonna do worst. You might lose 20 minutes of your fucking time doing completely nothing, because if you hit the snooze button and then wake up after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes again to hit the snooze button again, bro, you're not gonna get any more sleep. You're just gonna pretend to sleep more. You're not getting any fucking benefits from that. You're just being lazy. In the sense, you're just procrastinating waking up. So there's another trick you can use. Take the alarm clock, put it on the other side of the fucking room. Wake up, turn it off, drop down, do 11 push-ups, or maybe do crunches. After that, if you're like, oh, I'm tired, I'm sleeping right now, bro, fair enough, lay back in bed. But if you're smart enough, realize, I'm already here, I done 11 fucking push-ups. Might as well just go do the other shit I have to do. And then go do the other shit you have to do. And if you're still tired after that, you're not gonna be in the state, oh, I'm gonna go back to sleep, because you're not gonna be as tired, bro. You're gonna be ready for school, ready for business, ready for work, whatever the fuck you go, right? And you know, the thing is, you gotta make it a habit. First few days, this is gonna be fucking pain in the ass, but you can change this thing in no matter what. 3 days maybe, not even more. 3 days, literally end of human said that. So what do? Every single night, you try to go to sleep at the same hour. Like, you know, if you wake up at 5 a.m. to sleep minimum 7 hours, you gotta go to bed at 10. So every single day, go to sleep at 10. 10, 0, 0. Go to sleep, go to bed. Every single day, that's what you do. 10 a.m. bed. And every single day, you're gonna wake up at 5 a.m. And then in few days, your mind will have this implanted. This is the time when I go to sleep. And this is the time when I wake up. So you will have an easier time falling asleep. And you will have an easier time waking up. Win-win on both sides. You're not even gonna take long to fall asleep, bro. If you're complaining right now, oh, I can't fall asleep sometimes, brother, that's just because you don't have it. There is so many fucking reasons, actually. Too much entertainment at night, too much hype before bed. Bro, I can guarantee you, go pray, go meditate, and go to sleep every single fucking day at the same hour, and maybe work out through the day. You will fall asleep in less than 2 minutes. I fall asleep in less than 2 minutes every day, and I do all these things. Usually, I used to fucking struggle. Literally, I didn't fall asleep for hours, bro. It was fucking crazy and horrible, because I know I was being underslept. I know, because I knew I'm gonna be sleep deprived if I don't fall asleep, but yet I didn't fall asleep for hours. But then I started working out. Then I started praying and meditating before going to sleep. Like, I lay down in bed, I pray, I meditate. Bam, and the workout was done before. Bam, bro, you don't even think. I sometimes almost fall asleep when I meditate. So I might have to reschedule my meditations, bro. But like, I'm just saying, bro, I can fall asleep that easy. It's not a big deal. And every single day I go to sleep at the same hour. So my brain already knows it's around this time when I go to sleep. So it's a bit cool down, you know. And I fall asleep easier. And every fucking day I wake up at 5 a.m. So my brain knows it's 5 a.m. Sometimes I naturally wake up. I don't even need the fucking alarm clock, because it became a habit in my mind. And so should it became in yours. So make it a fucking habit. Stay hard. Oh, and realize, you gotta fix your sleep routine. If you wanna do that, check this video out here, bro. And remember, embrace the pain, motherfucker!